Wow, the sun sure is strong out today.
Shira, why are you putting on sunscreen? You're such a nerd.
Well, Morgan, I don't want to get melanoma. Melanoma is the deadliest form of skin cancer. It affects 87,000 new people every single year, according to AACR's website, and rates of melanoma have been rising for the past 30 years.
Remember how I said you're a nerd? Yeah, I've always known.
Well, I'm doing research on melanoma right now.
A subset of melanoma patients can be treated with a specific cancer drug called a BRAF inhibitor. Over time, melanoma cells become resistant to drug and begin to grow back. Why does this happen? Studying resistance to BRAF inhibitors is a major focus in our lab. Through various experiments, we showed that resistance is mediated in part through increasing levels of a protein called ERB3. We used Western blotting technique to analyze ERB3 levels in drug-treated versus untreated samples. First, we treat cells with drug or leave them untreated and incubate them over several days. Next, we lyse cells in protein lysis buffer and load samples into an acrylamide gel to separate proteins of different sizes. Voltage is used to move proteins across the gel. Next, we place this gel together with a nitrocellulose membrane surrounded by buffer paper. A voltage is run across the gel and membrane sandwich to transfer the proteins, which are separated by size now, from the gel onto the membrane. When the transfer is finished, we take the membrane, now containing our proteins, and incubate it with antibody that's specific for our protein of interest, ERB3. We can now visualize the presence of this protein in drug-treated versus untreated samples and see that it is elevated when we treat with drug.
So at least until we saw this melanoma thing, you should really use your sunscreen.
Gee willikers, Shira, all of this research sounds amazing. I guess until then, I'll be using sunscreen.